Welcome back to the channel. Only a quick one because, man, what a weekend. For those of you that, well, I mean, if you're in the car scene, as it were, you probably know that it was the NEC Classic Car Motor Show up in Birmingham this weekend. And again, it's been all over the internet and indeed YouTube that Harry Metcalfe sold his beautiful coupe. And we were keen to see what it would sell for, and we were as blown away, I think, as Harry was, that it sold for, including fees, £157,500, which is by far a benchmark, I think, for any coupe. Staggering, mind-blowing, and well, first and foremost, really, congratulations, Harry. That's quite some achievement. But it's a shame to see it go. It was an absolute pleasure to work with Harry on that car. He'd owned it for well over 10 years, and he bought it as a V12 manual, and we first got to work on the car with Harry in 2017 when I was running XJ Restorations. So we did all the conversion work on the suspension then. So we upgraded all of that, and you can follow that in this video. So that was back in 2017. We put a different diff in the car because it had the wrong diff, and we uprated the suspension to a Gaz IBAC and Superflex combo, which transformed the way the car drove, as you'll see in the videos. And then when he contacted us again in 2020 to go through and do the paint and the body on the car, that was quite some little journey, and kick-started our YouTube journey, as I'm sure you all know. And off the back of that, taking the engine and gearbox out to do the body, there was quite a bit of oil coming out the back of the engine. So we contacted our friend Tom, recommended Tom Lenthal to Harry to do the engine work. So Tom went through, resealed, rebuilt the engine, and eventually put his standalone ignition system and injection system on the car. And so it was born. And it's really nice. We've seen quite a few comments. Obviously, a lot of people are now seeing the car at the show, and really, we've had some great feedback and great comment on the quality of the paint and the body, which is nice. We really appreciate that, and it's a bit of a relief because throughout, Harry wasn't building a show car. It was a car that you've seen the videos. He drives this car, and he said, I don't want a trailer queen. It's got to be nice, but I'm also going to throw it around. And the videos show him driving it along beaches and going sideways around Irish hilltops and in the pouring rain. And it was a properly used car. So, and properly cared for, I hasten to add, but it was very much a used car, not a show car. And to have the feedback of people that have seen the car over the weekend has been really nice. So thank you very much. And let's wait and see how many coupes now come on the market. Let's be honest, that kind of money is a one-off. But very well earned, well deserved by Harry, and look forward to seeing what he comes up with next, and goes into next. But that's it, just a short video to acknowledge the great achievement of that car over the weekend. So we might do some feedback on the Cadillac video soon, maybe. But failing that, I think we've got a VW Beetle coming up this weekend for you. So we'll see you at the weekend.